Ini kita berikan susu formula.
Oke. Berarti dengan nenek lagi sama itu. Oke.
Udangnya udah dipisah ya?
Induknya dipisah. Jadi
Humans are not the only living creatures on Earth that are affected by the crisis caused by the COVID-19 pandemic. Animals in zoo enclosures and conservation centers are apparently impacted just as much as humans. Thousands of animals in Indonesian zoos are facing the threat of famine as managements have been struggling to afford animal feed since people no longer visit zoos following the physical distancing policy to contain the spread of COVID-19. The situation has sparked a crisis, particularly in privately owned zoos, which rely heavily on the revenue from ticket sales to survive. According to a survey conducted by the Indonesian Zoo Association or PKBSI, 92% of its 55 members in Sumatra, Java, Bali, Lombok, and Borneo had food stocks that would only last until mid-May. Only 3 zoos would be able to provide food for 1 to 3 months, while only 2 had enough for more than 3 months. The zoos within the association house over 70,000 animals from 4,912 species endemic to Indonesia and those from other parts of the world. They also include protected species such as the Sumatran tiger, the Bornean orangutan, the Sumatran elephant, and the anoa. Through a letter addressed to President Joko Widodo and relevant ministries and agencies, the association has called on the government to pay more attention to the welfare of the zoos during the outbreak. In the meantime, the members are trying their best to create a more efficient animal feed management by, for example, adjusting the frequency of feeding and changing food composition. Zoos that house many carnivorous animals such as leopards, lions, and cheetahs have stopped importing meat to feed them and replaced beef or mutton with chicken. Some zoos now feed their tigers 5 days a week, while previously they did it 6 days a week.
Ada plan terburuknya, kalaupun harus plan C ya kita harus memotong herbivore untuk dikasih ke karnivore, itu kondisi terburuknya. Tapi kita berharap itu tidak terjadi. Kita berharap banyak yang membantu untuk penyelamatan satwa eksotik kita.
Environment and Forestry Ministry Biodiversity Conservation Director Indra Exploitasia said the government was preparing the legal basis to deliver aid to zoos affected by COVID-19. The aid will be aimed at, among other things, preventing the zoo authorities from sacrificing the herbivores to feed the carnivores until the pandemic is over.